remaining games they polish off the season Ghana Premier League obetimi spearhead no the team are complete. So ideally the mandate ne say on fight team and complete the remaining games. But you know kasa see match of Kotoko enthused almost to say was say Kotoko reverse that release na maintaining Zito as the head coach, especially say otimi enya any of the CAF qualification slots are available.
And it's not nipa kuna omo yes anenso no. Omo dwene sa anenso no. Omo ntwa ma yemo season ni.
I'm very lucky for us. Now our press conference, coach said he would be very happy say Nankombe hold you on that suggestion na we season no. Because that's how he wants it. He wants to complete the task, immediate task. And Eugene said in America, they are having that confidence in Karim Zito based on the media was and acquire or the team especially on my last game on my boy Utimi improvise one of the players and him say in Pempi tell you soon it was central defense but on the bar into the DM role which player friend Samba. He was able to perform for the team and the team was able to score the highest number of goals since Karim Zito turning up. So it tells you that he's been a very good tactical coach and until man for air qualify on the real head coach for the club. But Eugene, one thing I was CC and he said or say he's adding beauty to goal scoring. Adding goal scoring to beautiful football and and indeed if we say the man what it me a repeat element of playing football now in the last game you so say indeed Karim Zito and Osaka Simbi which is adaptation. You say when there is a new personnel in the setup, the new personnel impose or also new ideas to the playing body and the ideas we acknowledge said the current club of Kotoko players he likes the way now more learning the tactics now or person what they on board and it's also good for the team. But Eugene, the omnis Kotoko call a more dicey moment in the season. Even though said they have the MTNFA Cup final at stake. With me edges cap no et me Eddie I that silverware more. But Eugene Kotoko league triumph no. That game against BBN Good Stars a defining moment. Se Kotoko and me am picking the 3 maximum points. The league is now a 2-horse race between BBN Good Stars and the nations. It is that game no coach interview now or say that game they are going to play against one of the best sides in the Ghana Premier League and he wants the players to continue with choir or Musian tactics and I believe based on the 3 competitive and also 4 competitive games as the acting head coach Eugene say players no eba bisuan de watching omo ye in games I think that game against BBN Good Stars Kotoko would be able to pick the 3 maximum points. But the bottom line is how will they be able to adapt to the system? And games now, especially league games now, you could see say Kotoko improve based on previous games or mobile. Previous games are not Kotoko Eugene. You could see say now the efficiency of the team has always been their strength. Strength on the chassis, ideally, but under Karim Zito, you could see say that energy, that vigor, that confidence, the starting games under Karim Zito, is either they increase it or they maintain it. This time round and reduce it. So I think that with that, this game, a game is going to be a defining moment for the club. Eugene, can you say Kumasi Asante Kotoko any BBN Good Stars this season? Ope clubs are more recorded the least number of defeats ever season ni mo. Kumasi Asante Kotoko any Bibiani Good Stars and the leaders. Omo lose only 7 games. And say, well, we lose this game, no. Actually, say one will have the upper edge of losing games against the other. It is a game, no, dear Eugene. I think that a game, a defining moment for Karim Zito, and a friendly game now. Abon so Abwa Amanehu Hawa Obesi.
Thursday be a friendly game,
and he explained it in the post-match against the last game. Oh boy,
against Dreams.
Or say that is when Utimi deploy tactics or they bago in that league game or go on Sunday. And Obaya and Sunijin, anytime or any lesser friendly game on the training ground so ahead of the Premier League game biano. Onya that rippling effects the real game now or on Sunday. No. So I think that looking at point our first so yen and your masses and the mano and the approach or sa especially if you say the Median man, no more tie no, and no one will go so all year, which is playing friendly games with minor clubs, and he has done it this time round. So I think say he's on the right path in games approach or the real game since the Median man. So I think that said you know they are going to play against one of the best sides in the Ghana Premier League currently. So I was saying the approach, more stiffer and much more better as compared to previous games now. Because the Bibiani Gold Stars are here. The fear this season are very good. Open one of the best performers ever fear Bibiani Gold Stars account. I think say nanu ye no mulusu ewofie. They've lost only 1 game and Kotoko so yenim say when Bibiani Gold Stars enya omo maiden appearance and omutimi go nya that win e free hono omutimi nya any win against Bibiani Gold Stars. So the game is going to be very tough and very cagey. So we say the coach Ekano they are going to play against the best club in Ghana. So I think say it was adaptation no and I said no in their previous games na no omobe toaso no motimi agwagonya that need they win because mind you said the medical cano both clubs omo lose 7 games this season. When and na egwago lose na wagwagoye club watimi a record the highest number of losses comparing these two sides.